Hi friends, welcome back to our channel PSC Confidence Booster. Today we see the third part of the previous year question paper Junior Instructor Wireman Industrial Training Department held on 2016. Then let me go through the questions. Question number 51. Which one of the following generator is used for charging batteries with constant voltage? Option A, compound generator. Option B, series generator. Option C, alternator. Option D, shunt generator. Answer is option D, shunt generator. Question number 52. The direction of rotation of a DC motor is determined by Option A, Fleming's right hand rule. Option B, Fleming's left hand rule. Option C, right hand grip rule. Option D, Maxwell's corkscrew rule. Answer is option B, Fleming's left hand rule. Question number 53. The back EMF of a DC motor depends on Option A, shape of conductors. Option B, field flux. Option C, type of commutator. Option D, brush material. Answer is option B, field flux. Question number 54. The main function of starter of the DC motor is to Option A, limit the starting current. Option B, limit the back EMF. Option C, increase the field current resistance. Option D, decrease armature resistance. Answer is option A, limit the starting current. Question number 55. The speed of a DC shunt motor has to be controlled through the field. The most suitable starter for this purpose is Option A, direct online starter. Option B, 2-point starter. Option C, 3-point starter. Option D, 4-point starter. Answer is option D, 4-point starter. Question number 56. The speed of a DC motor is Option A, directly proportional to the back EMF and inversely proportional to the flux. Option B, inversely proportional to the back EMF and directly proportional to the flux. Option C, directly proportional to the EMF as well as the flux. Option D, directly proportional to current. Answer is option A, directly proportional to the back EMF and inversely proportional to the flux. Question number 57. Insulation resistance is measured in Option A, megawatts. Option B, kilo ohms. Option C, mega ohms. Option D, kilovolts. Answer is option C, mega ohms. Question number 58. The running speed of a three-phase squirrel cage induction motor is Option A, synchronous speed. Option B, more than synchronous speed. Option C, double synchronous speed. Option D, less than synchronous speed. Answer is option D, less than synchronous speed. Question number 59. For 3 HP 3-phase 415 volt 50 Hz squirrel cage induction motor started through a direct online starter, the backup fuse rating will be Option A, 15 ampere. Option B, 10 ampere. Option C, 6 ampere. Option B 4 ampere. Answer is option A 15 ampere. Question number 60. When remote on and off are used in a direct online starter, the remote on button should be connected with the existing on button in. Option A series, option B series and parallel, option C bridge circuit, option D parallel. Answer is option D parallel. Question number 61. When a three-phase induction motor is switched to star position through a star delta starter. Option A √3 times the torque produced than the delta position. Option B 3 times torque produced than the delta position. Option C 1 by √3 times the torque produced than the delta position. Option D 1 by 3 times torque produced than the delta position. Answer is option D 1 by 3 times torque produced than the delta position. Question number 62. In a manual star delta starter, the stop button connection is in series with the option A no volt coil, option B overload relay contact, option C no volt coil and overload relay contacts, option D no volt coil and start button. Answer is option C no volt coil and overload relay contacts. Question number 63. A high starting torque is obtained in a slip ring induction motor by using A. Option A rotor rheostat starter, option B star delta starter, option C 4-point starter, option D direct online starter. Answer is option A rotor rheostat starter. Question number 64. We can identify a wound rotor induction motor by seeing. Option A direction of rotation, option B slip rings, option C 6 terminals, option D size of machine. Answer is option B slip rings. Question number 65. A polyphase induction motor is usually option A self-starting, option B slow starting, option C not self-starting, option D high starting. Answer is option A self-starting. Question number 66. For ceiling fan, generally which type of motor is used? Option A split phase, option B capacitor, option C permanent capacitor, option D universal motor. Answer is option C permanent capacitor. Question number 67. The maximum efficiency of transformer is to obtained when? Option A copper loss is maximum, option B copper loss is equal to iron loss, option C iron loss is maximum, option D running without loss. Answer is option B copper loss is equal to iron loss. Question number 68. Buckle's relay is a device related with option A alternator, option B synchronous motor, option C auto transformer, option D transformer. Answer is option D transformer. Question number 69. Auto transformer works on the principle of option A, mutual induction, option B, self-induction, option C, conduction, option D, electron fusion. Answer is option B, self-induction. Question number 70. Which one of the following is the EMF equation of transformer? Option A, EP by ES equal IP by IS equal VS by VP. Option B, E equals 4.445 FN volts. Option C, E equal 5 ZNP by 65 into A. Option D, V equals I into R. Answer is option B, E equals 4.445 FN volts. Question number 71. The main source of hydroelectric power station is option A, water, option B, coal, option C, nuclear, option D, diesel. Answer is option A, water. Question number 72. Which insulator is used on dead ends of medium voltage line? Option A, egg type, option B, pin type, option C, shackle type, option D, disc type. Answer is option C, shackle type. Question number 73. Which type of guarding is provided on a railway line crossing? Option A, cage type, option B, cradle type, option C, bird type, option D, bed type. Answer is option A, cage type. Question number 74. In a transmission line, which type of insulators are used? Option A, pin type, option B, shackle type, option C, egg type, option D, suspension type. Answer is option D, suspension type. Question number 75. MCCB stands for option A, metal closed circuit breaker, option B, main current circuit breaker, option C, molded case circuit breaker, option D, miniature circuit breaker. Answer is option C, molded case circuit breaker. Question number 76. For a given line, current and line voltage, the power taken by the delta connected load is dash the power taken by the star connected load. Option A, more than, option B, less than, option C, equal to, option D, no comparison to. Answer is option C, equal to. Question number 77. The series type ohmmeter will have zero reading at the option A, center of the scale, option B, left hand end of scale, option C, anywhere in meter, option D, right hand end of scale. Answer is option B, right hand end of scale. Question number 78. To charge a secondary cell, the system used is option A, low voltage AC, option B, DC, option C, high voltage AC, option D, AC. Answer is option B, DC. Question number 79. The approximate full load current of a three-phase delta connected 3 HP motor is? Option A 4.5 ampere, option B 3.5 ampere, option C 2.5 ampere, option D 10 ampere. Answer is option A 4.5 ampere. Question number 80. The total opposition offered by an AC circuit is called? Option A inductive reactance, option B resistance, option C capacitive reactance, option D impedance. Answer is option D impedance.